one is, can DLP Realty help me pay for home repairs before selling?
Yes. Yeah. So let me go to this know all your options page. So the short answer is yes. And I'll give you an example of this. And the funny thing is, I believe I just saw it. So right here is a picture of Nate Boykin. He's actually one of our agents. And the house isn't on here actually, but Nate was actually one of our agents that has one of the most extreme examples of this. So I'll be quick with my story, but we had an example, and this you see in the top right here, it says get cash before closing. That's exactly what this is for. So we've had the small examples of we walked through a home and everything was remodeled in the home, but then the people, for whatever reason, didn't remodel their bathroom. And they're like, we ran out of money, or we didn't know what to do with this part of it. Or I've had examples of people remodel their whole entire kitchen, and then for whatever reason, they left all the old cabinets there. And we're like, why don't you just reface the cabinets and actually get some stuff there? So what we're able to do is we can actually give money in order to do some of those things. One of our most extreme examples was this is a property down in Bucks County, a higher end home. And what ended up happening was this person met with about 8 or 9 different real estate agents from XYZ companies from all over, and they just called them local agents. And these local agents came out and they said, hey, there's a builder in the area and your home was built by this builder and they're notorious for the stucco siding getting moisture behind it and then actually causing mold issues. And they're like, we're not going to touch your home. We're not going to sell it unless you actually take off all of your stucco and then replace it with siding, and then we will sell your home. And when we heard that story, we're like, that is insane to us, that nobody could actually come up with a solution. So we did. What we were able to do is we actually sent out a couple contractors, got some bids and quotes on the actual removing of stucco and then replacing it with siding. And we actually fronted that money and made that, were able to actually assist in having literally their whole entire house. And this was not a small house. It was about, it's like 3,000 or 4,000 square foot home. Actually completely remove the stucco and put siding on it. And what we did was we made a loan with them, meaning that we paid for it all up front and they paid us back at closing. But if we didn't do that, they actually would have not been able to sell that home, or he would have had to take such a drastic cut on his profit, because he would have had to sell to like a cash investor or something like that. We were actually able to help him and really him top dollar for his house and get him on his way. That's one of our more extreme examples, and other ones are just smaller examples. But yes, we have a huge ability to get cash before closing, and that's one of our top ways that we can help people get through their sell of their home.